Hello, my gorgeous friends. How are you guys going today? Today, guys, is a big day for me because I'm partnering with Bird's Nest, and Bird's Nest want to help you with your fashion as much as I do. Everything about my videos is about inspiring you, giving you sizing advice, quality advice, giving you styling options. And what I love about Bird's Nest is they do it better than me. Okay, so when you go onto their website, and I've just got it here in front of me because I want to get it right for you, guys, you can shop online via your profile. Okay, you can do it by your body shape, your personality, your occasion, by a particular collection, because it's important with Bird's Nest. Today I'm showcasing the Belle Bird collection for you. So they stock other brands, but they also have created their own brands, which is really exciting. And Belle Bird, which is the brand, in-house brand that I'm showing you today, is just one of them. Okay, you can shop by color and you can shop by size. The other thing that I love about Bird's Nest, their website, is it's a great resource, a great tool for you to use at your convenience. If you've got a particular top or dress or something's in your wardrobe that you just don't know how to put together, you can find a similar silhouette on their website, and they have great styling pictorials there for you to help you. Guys, I've got so much to show you today. I'm so excited about this. I really want your feedback on this video. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Alrighty, friends, let's get into this first little number. Fast facts, 100% viscose. Look at this blue. How beautiful is this, guys? Let me walk for you. I think Robbie might like this one. So guys, we've got a full genuine button through. Okay, I've decided to keep the last button, a little bit open. Guys, this is a really good solid size 16 fit. Okay, so I've got good allowance in the arms here. I'm starting to get a little bit firm here. But I do know with this particular fabric, it is going to relax over the day. So I'll just leave that up to you if you feel that this is tight. I don't feel that it's tight, but it is slightly fitted, okay? Beautiful buttons all the way down. Guys, I just wanted to do a super casual look up front, okay? I've put the tie at the back. Now, I'm not sure if this is showing up on camera for you, but there is some sheerness with this particular fabric. I just want to let you know. Guys, let me do another look for you. What do you think of this, guys? I've just pulled the belt around the front. I've bloused things a little bit, okay? And I've put a very simple workplace appropriate shoe on. Guys, I'm really loving the femininity of this dress, and I'm loving the ease of this dress. If I was going to wear this dress into a workplace environment though, I would need to wear a slip, okay? But what I want you to focus on is the beautiful design execution with the hemline that they've done, which I think is just beautiful. Let me walk for you again. Gee, I think Robbie likes this one. Let me do one more look. What do you think it is? So guys, I'm just utilizing the dress as a duster. Guys, the cami and the shoes are mine. The jeans, however, the jeggings are from Bird's Nest, and they're really nice. Okay, so what we have here is a fully elasticated waistband. We have some really on-trend tailoring here on the front of the knee here. It's a crisscross, which is really cool. Really great to kind of slice and dice your thigh area, which is nice. But guys, I thought this was a pretty cool look. Let's keep going. Friends, let's get into these jeans because I know you want all the details, okay? We've got cotton, polyester, viscose, and elastane in these jeans, okay? Cotton is the main fabric. Guys, these are a special jean, okay? I'm in the size 16. Bird's Nest did provide the 18 to me. No way, I would have actually been interested to try the 14. But remember, I do like a firm fit. These are beautiful to wear. So we've got this full waistband here, which is providing, so if you sit down a lot during the day, I've got a follower called Yaz Babe. These will be a good one for you with sitting down most of the time. So guys, just beautiful allowance here. Early pregnancy, I think this could be a really nice consideration, and post-pregnancy, okay? So just have something gentle and soft against your tummy. Guys, what do you think? The other key design element here, and I hope you know what's coming, is that the base of the pocket is a lot higher than the bottom line of my bottom, okay? And when that happens, it gives an upward lift. Key tip, okay? So you can see, let me get here, how high the pockets are, which gives my bottom, because I've got quite a flat, wide bottom, I'm really enjoying the look that that's giving there at the back. Guys, these are beautiful. And they're fun, they're on trend, which is really nice. Let's pop another top on. What have we got here? I've got a couple of casual tops here, guys. Let's have a look at this. This is the size 16. It's good that all this stuff's made in Australia, isn't it? Do you guys like that? Look at that design there. That's really nice. Can you see how that just falls beautifully? This is what happens when a bunch of Australian women get together and design clothes for Australian women. This good stuff happens. This, I'm really liking this. Do you guys like this? Look at that. I'll get up nice and close so you can see. Look at that. That's really nice. Great breast allowance in here, guys, but also good allowance width waist. So if you're fuller in the bust, which most of you will be, compared to me, there's beautiful allowance in there. Sorry, excuse me. How's it sitting at the back? Let me get this tag in. Is that sitting nicely at the back? This is a great outfit. It's showing shape, it's highlighting and showcasing my body without hiding it, which is what I absolutely love about this range. Guys, I think this is a cracker. Very super solid size 16 fit, okay? I've got some nice slip room here in the arms. This is full stretch. Let me get the fabric for you guys. Viscose, polyester and spandex. When I put it on, I don't get a feeling of polyester, if I'm honest. I don't get that feeling. What that's going to mean though is it's going to be great for washing and wearing, traveling and things like that. Okay guys, let's pop the next top on. This is good. I wasn't expecting that with this top. Just bear with me guys, I'll just pop that over here, I'll fix that up later. Let's get a white one on. This looks like a different cut, size 16 again. All of the clothes I'm showing you today are from the Belle Bird range, so don't forget that. Let's get this on. This is really nice fabric too. Now this has got 2 layers. Absolutely non-transparent. This is the size 16. Let me bring that up a little bit. Is that a bit better? Is that a bit better, guys? What do you think? This is draping really nicely. Look, so let me show you underneath here. This is clever. So it's got 2 layers. So we've got the one layer to smooth this out, to give us that modesty, so we've got no transparency, and then the second layer is just falling and it's giving beautiful movement. What do you guys think of this? It feels really, really beautiful against my skin. Let's keep going. Friends, what do you think of these silhouettes? What I'm really enjoying here now, guys, I'm in the 14 on the top and I'm in the 16 of the pant. The reason that I chose the 14 is because I am smaller in the bust, as we all know. Okay, so what I would do with this particular blouse is focus on your breast measurement when choosing the size that's right for you, okay? Because it's a wrap top, there's heaps of allowance and forgiveness, and the arm allowance is just absolutely divine. So I thought, let's start out really strong. Now guys, with these pants, beautiful, beautiful pants. These are an absolute dream, guys. I really like, can you see that little, how the ankle comes up a little bit. I think that's really clever. These are a great, if you're looking for an easy pant that is going to be dress up, dress down, and I promise you, you'll just keep reaching for these pants. I really like these pants. I love the pockets. I love the pleats. I love the design execution around my ankles, which is really nice. Guys, let's do a workwear look with this top. This is clever, huh? I love this monochrome skirt. Polyester and elastane blend on the skirt, guys, but it feels nice to wear, and this is going to be great if you have to travel for work. That's when these types of fabric combinations are really helpful in the mornings for you. But guys, how beautiful is this playing back together? It's a lifted, it's an elevated work look, okay, which I really, really like. Sizing's a dream. Okay, I wouldn't size up or size down in this skirt. We've got beautiful, comfortable elastic. Okay, I'm not feeling any tightness or pressure around my waist, which is really nice. I think that they've given good hip allowance because this is my problem area here. Okay, this is where things, you know, that's my red zone. So I'm really enjoying the fit. This is a very, very good size 16 fit. Let's keep going, guys. Guys, I feel like a real lady boss in this, and I think that I look like a real lady boss in this. This is a really, really clever workplace appropriate jumpsuit. This is particularly a jumpsuit for those of you who are tall, okay? Just have a look at how this is perfectly modest. We've got a beautiful collar detail here, guys. The bust, the V is at the right height. I love these little design accents. Again, if you travel, okay, and you need an easy, quick workwear option in the morning, this is a cracker. I really like this. The leg allowance, I wear a lot of jumpsuits. The leg allowance in here is very, very good, okay? It's a synthetic fabric, but what that's giving me is it's holding me, okay, in the sense that it's going to help me with my lumps and bumps, okay? So I'm actually happy about the synthetic composite of this garment because it's giving me structure. If I worked in a corporate environment, I would buy this without hesitation. Friends, I think we might have found a unicorn. Size 16, viscose rayon blend. I want you to take notice of the grey colour. This is a beautiful chambray colour. It's beautiful. This is great. This is a really, really tough garment to find. So guys, what we've got happening here is we've got a very generous elastic waist. I'm in the size 16. I wouldn't upsize or downsize, okay? Now, we don't have any clasp here, okay, which I actually appreciate as a smaller busted woman. If you're more fuller in the bust, please grab yourself your Supre crop tops. They'll finish just under your bra, won't add any bulk here, okay? And then you can, if you need more modesty here, all right? But guys, this is a cracker. Look at the arm allowance. They have got the drop crotch. Perfect, okay? So I'm not getting any ride up. Let me walk for you. You got to buy this one. I just think this is fantastic. Let me pair this back with some of my own belts. So I've popped some color on. Okay, I've put a slightly more elevated heel on, but I'm getting a really nice smart casual look. Guys, you got to get this romper, whatever it's called. I don't care. It's amazing. Now, breastfeeding access is good in here as well, okay, which I think is really nice. Guys, this is just really, really well designed. So, and this is what I think is coming through to me as I'm trying on these clothes, is that these clothes have been designed by Australian women for Australian women. I've really enjoyed this try on. Really, really enjoyed it. So guys, that's everything I've got to show you from Bird's Nest and the Belle Bird collection. Guys, I've really enjoyed this try on and I hope that you have too. Bird's Nest appeals to me deeply because they want to help women feel more confident with their clothing, okay? And they're there to help you with styling. So you can look at garments based on what mood you're in, what kind of look you're going for, conservative, boho, smart casual, funky mum, all those types of things. And then you can also shop via your body shape as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please buy this. I hope you're well. Mwah. Much love, guys.